you're here. It started live. Yeah, live. Mogu's Body Coding Live. No footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? First, watch the move. Cross, heel, complicado. 5. Are you ready? Watch. Watch first for yourself. Let's go. Again. Yes, this is the move. Now, no excuses. Let's do it together, wherever you are. Also, if you're in the park, I switch the cameras. Yes, let's go. No excuses. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We go cross to the back. Open with the right. Open with the left. Yes. And now, with the right. Heel, heel, step, step. Yeah. Now with the right. Cross to the back the same. Open, open. Now with the left. Heel. Now with the right. Step with the left. Cross with the right. Again with the left. Cross. Yeah. 1. Open, open. With the right. Heel, heel, step to the back and cross. Now with the right. Cross to the back, open, open, heel, heel, step and cross. Once again with the left. Let's go with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking good. Let's do it again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it last time. Let's go with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah! Yes, this is the move. This is the step. But you know what? Practice makes progress, right? So let's do another practice. But wait. You still here? Amazing. Let's do it now. Face to face. I want to see it. Let's go. Are you ready? Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. But practicing, of course. Let's go. Cross, heel, complicado. 5. Let's go. With the left again. Starting with the left. We cross to the back. Open, open. Now with the right. Heel, heel, step, cross. Yeah. Now with the right. Cross, open, open. Heel, heel, step, step. With me. No excuses. Let's go. Cross, open, open, heel, heel, step to the back, cross, cross to the back, open, open, heel, heel, step, cross. Let's add some body movement. Very, very gentle. Are you ready? Let's go. We'll add a drop at the end. Let's try. We cross, we open, open. Heel, heel, step, boom. Yeah, drop. Now we go up a little bit. Yeah. Cross, open, open, heel, heel, step, boom. So how can we do the drop? The easy version is just do the drop, all the body. Bam. You can open the hands as well, but just all the body. If you can control your chest, you can go up, boom. You can all go up and do a chest drop. Let's try it. Let's go. Cross to the back. Open, open. Here, here, stand, drop. Yeah. Cross. Open, open. Here, here, stand, drop. Yeah. Now let's add the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's add another tip. Try to use just one of the tips. Now the tip can be with the hands. Open the hands while opening the legs. Let's go. We cross, open, open. Yeah, we emphasize. And now, heel, step, and you can do the drop. Cross, open. Notice the hands, open. Yeah. Heel, step, and you can do the drop. Drop. Last time. Cross, open, open. Heel, step, drop. Cross, open, open. Heel, step, drop. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And if you are a serious student, you can check the link above, to the sides below, to the full tutorial, which is for free, forever for free on YouTube. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yes. And search for this move, cross heel, complicado 5. And if you want to practice the chest drop and chest pop, search that as well. Chest pop, yeah, chest pop, chest drop in my channel, in the YouTube channel as well. And last thing, it's a little bit of a secret. I remind you, this Marcus body coding, we code. What do we code? Universal moves. Yes, these kinds of moves that you can do in any kind of dance that you want. Yes, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, semba, any hip hop, any style that you want. Yes, universal moves. Yeah, I know, pretty cool. And either way, use this move, this video, the video on YouTube. Practice this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Did you forget? Every day, new footwork just for you. In the park or wherever we are in the world. So, I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow, right? Same time, same place, right? So let's see you tomorrow.